Today I'm going to be making a vanilla cake for my brother's birthday. I already added 3/4 of a cup of butter to the mixer bowl. For the ingredients, we have 1 1/3 of a cup of sugar, 3 large eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 1/2 cups of pastry flour, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of buttermilk. And we also have 4 teaspoons of Dulce de leche. Tablespoons. So the first step is to put your butter in the mixer bowl, which I already have done. And now you're gonna add all of your sugar into the bowl, and you are going to mix it until it is nice and fluffy. So there we go, it's in, and now we're gonna start mixing. Nice and fluffy, we are going to add our eggs one at a time and make sure to beat it nicely after each egg is added. So here we go. We're going to add the first egg and start beating. I just added my first egg. Now here goes the second one. Okay. And here is the last egg. We are going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and then you'll mix for a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now we'll start mixing. We're going to add our dulce de leche. Not mixing. Dry ingredients together. Just so you know, all the dry ingredients are sifted. So I'm going to add our baking soda, baking powder, and salt to the flour, and we're gonna just mix it all up. Alternate putting the dry ingredients and the buttermilk into this mixture, and we're going to mix it some more until we have our batter all ready. So first I'm going to put in some of our dry ingredients. When we mix the dry ingredients and the buttermilk into our mixture. This is my brother's birthday. We are going to add some food coloring to make it a little colorful for his birthday. So we're going to add a little bit at a time, and so that we can see what color we want it. So I'm going to add 2 drops right now. Give it a light mix. Color that we have. We were looking for a reddish, so this is pretty good. So now we're going to transfer it into our cake pan that we have set with some parchment paper on it, and we're get it ready to bake. We have transferred our batter to the cake pan, and it's ready to bake. We preheated the oven to 350, and you will bake your cake for 25 to 30 minutes, or until when you put a tester in and it comes out clean. So we ended up baking the cake for an hour, and now it's ready. So we're gonna let it cool down.